Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to either tap on this cog icon and go straight for the Gboard settings, or you can also open up the settings app. In here you want to go for the additional settings category, languages and input. After that, go for the manage keyboard section, tap on the Gboard or any other keyboard that is currently set in your case. By default it is always going to be the Gboard. So here at the settings page you want to open up the preferences, and at the preferences section simply turn on the number row toggle, and as you will see now, it will essentially mean that we have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.